Good morning students, welcome to the class. Hope all is well and you are doing well at home. In today's activity we will learn about sense organs. What is sense organ? Yes, what is sense organ? Do you know what is sense organ? The parts of the body which help us to see, to smell, to taste, to hear and to feel the things. The parts of the body which help us to see, to smell, to taste, to hear and to feel the things. These are called sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. Skin is the 5th sense organ which is found all over the body, and all other are on the face. All other ears, tongue, nose, eyes on the face, and skin is found all over a body, and this is also the largest sense organ. So we will discuss firstly about eyes. How eyes help us? How eyes help us? Eyes help us to see the things around us. Eyes help us to see the things around us. All the colors, all the shapes we can see with the help of our eyes. All the beautiful things of the world we can see with the help of our eyes. In this picture, a boy is watching TV and eyes help him to watch the TV. Eyes helps him to watch the TV. Second is nose. Second sense organ is nose. How nose help us? Yes, nose help us to smell the things. Nose help us to smell the things. All kind of smell, whether smell is good, whether smell is bad, we can recognize with the help of nose. Different kind of smell can only be known with the help of nose, whether the smell is good, whether the smell is bad. For example, smell of flower, we can only be known with the help of our nose. The smell of food can only be recognized with the help of our nose. Smell of garbage, smell of medicine, all the different kind of smell we can recognize or we can only be known with the help of our nose. Third is tongue. How tongue help us? How tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste the things. Tongue help us to taste the things. Different things have different taste, and tongue help us to taste these different things. Whether the thing is bitter, whether the thing is hot, whether the thing is cold, or whether the thing is sour, whether the thing is pungent, we can taste only with the help of our tongue. We can only taste with the help of our tongue. Ears. How ears help us? How ears help us? Ears help us to hear, to listen things. All kind of sounds we can hear with the help of our ears, whether the sound is coming from very far away or sound coming from near, we can hear with help of our ears. Fifth is skin. Fifth is skin. We can feel the thing by touching it. We can feel the thing by touching it. So skin help us to feel the things. Skin help us to feel the things, to feel the type of thing. We can feel the type of thing with the help of our skin. With the help of our skin. So, for example, the thing is Smooth or rough, we can feel with the help of skin. Soft or hard, we can feel with the help of skin. Hot or cold, we can feel with the help of skin. So these are sense organ. So these are sense organ. All the sense organ of our body make our life easy and comfortable. All the sense organ of our body make our life easy and comfortable. They enable us to see, hear, taste and feel all the good things of life. So I will tell you a story so that you can easily understand the concept of sense organ. One day I visit to Dev's house. One day I visit to Dev's house. Why I visit to Dev's house? To see what he is doing at home. What he is doing at home. Dev is watching TV. Dev is watching TV. Which sense organ helps him to see the TV? Yes, eyes. Eyes help him to see the television. Very good. And sound of TV. Sound of TV. Which sense organ help him to hear the sound of TV? Yes, ears. Ears help him to hear the sound of TV. Okay, and at the same time he is eating popcorn also, your favorite. He is eating popcorn. And from which sense organ he is getting taste of popcorn? With the help of his tongue. With the help of his tongue. And his mother is cooking food. And the smell of delicious food he can smell with the help of his nose. Smell of delicious food can be smelled with the help of his nose. And suddenly he went to the kitchen. They went to the kitchen and he put the bowl. The food of the bowl was very hot. He feel the bowl is hot. He feel that bowl is hot. How can he understand the bowl is hot? With the help of his skin. So this is our activity, sense organ. See this video and understand the concept of sense organ. We will meet in the next video with some new idea. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye. Take care.